Good morning students. How are you? Hope you are all good and hope you are all enjoying online classes. We are say our special thanks to our Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for conducting these online classes. So let me introduce myself. I am Vanaja, CRT in English, KGBV Devarapalli from Vishakhapatnam district. Today I am going to explain the poem The Garden Within. What is the name of the poem? The Garden Within. All of you open your textbooks and look at that poem. Okay, all of you listen. There is a garden in my heart where beauty grows in fits and starts, where smiles are petals from the flowers bestowed by others from their vows. Nutritious hope reaps seeds to feed my spirit for its every need. With gratitude, I will reach my goal to touch the island of my soul. To touch the island of my soul. Understood, students? Good. This poem was written by Celia Barrell. This poem was written by Celia Barrell. What is the name of the poet? The Celia Barrell. Celia Barrell. Celia Barrell is an England-born Australian writer and poet. She is best known for her series of science rhymes, which have been published by the Cicero and in textbooks for Australian, Irish, and Canadian high school students. Now I am going to explain about the Celia Barrell. She is a science rhymes poet who regularly contributes verses of Australia's Cicero Children's Science magazine, Double Helix, and Australian children's poetry. She wrote Science Rhymes. My Science Rhymes website provides educational resources and inspiration for young writers, which I also share through presentation with local primary school students in kindness. In 2012, through a regional arts development grant, science educator Dr. Cliff Jackson from James Cook University, Cairns, vetted over 100 science rhymes for scientific accuracy and educational merit. The first 34 poems were released as an e-book on Amazon. This is about Celia Barrell. Understood children? Why does the poet Celia Barrell like the garden? Yes, all of you look at here. The poet gives a beautiful, rich, picture-sweet description of the garden that she sees around her. Everything is so colorful and attractive that one loses track of time just looking at nature abounding with beauty. With this kind of natural beauty around, one cannot but help gaze with wonder at this heaven on earth. That's why the poet chose a garden. Then, what is the mood of the poet in the poem Garden Within? All of you look at here. What is the mood of the poet in the poem Garden Within? His spirit is fed with seeds of hope. It means he is always positive in thoughts. We should be always positive in thoughts. And also says the goal is to touch the soul. And also says that the goal is to touch the soul and is confident to reach it with gratitude. And he is confident to reach it with gratitude. This is the poet mood when he wrote the poem The Garden Within. Once again, listen. His spirit is fed with seeds of hope. It means he is always positive in thoughts. He says the goal is to touch the soul and he is confident to reach it with gratitude. This is the mood of the poem. Then, what is the central idea of this poem, The Garden Within? The central idea of this poem is, the main theme of this poem is that peaceful life in the nature is more satisfying than social life and human company. The main theme of this poem is the peaceful life in the nature is more satisfying than social life and human company. The poem is striking in its sensuous imagery, witty ideas, and a balance between romantic and classical elements, as well as its metaphysical qualities. Metaphysical qualities. So, Celia Barrel's central idea of this poem is, the peaceful life in the nature is more satisfying than the social life. This is the main theme of this poem. In this poem, the poet is striking the sensuous imagery, witty ideas, and a balance between romantic and classical elements, as well as its metaphysical qualities. Then look at the glossary of this poem. Glossary of this poem, The Garden Within. What is the name of the poem, students? The Garden Within. The glossary. In fits and starts. In fits and starts. That means in a sudden and irregular manner. A sudden change in a irregular manner. Petals. Petal is a noun form. That means a delicate colored part of a flower. A delicate colored part of a flower. Bestowed. Bestowed. Bestowed means gave. Bestowed means gave. Boss. Boss means a pleasant place in the shade of a tree. Boss means a pleasant place in the shade of a tree. Nutritious. What is the meaning here? Nutritious. That means good. Reaps. Reaps means gives. Spirit. Spirit means inner feelings or mood. Spirit means inner feelings or mood. Gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness. Gratitude means thankfulness. And finally, goal. What is the final word? Goal. Goal means something that you hope to achieve. Something that you hope to achieve. So, this is The Garden Within. Hope you all understood the poem The Garden Within. Once again, look at this poem and read it. Thank you, my dear students.